Partir el alma or partirse el alma. This is another Spanish expression that you must learn. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the Spanish expression partirse el alma. Partirse el alma. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Partirse el alma is a Spanish expression that literally means breaking the soul. Breaking the soul. It sounds kind of sad, but what is this all about? Partirse el alma means to work hard. Well, it's similar to work hard to achieve something or to do something. Also, it's similar to it breaks my heart. So, essentially, you can use this expression in two different situations. The first one is to refer to working hard when you are really working hard to do something, or at work, just working hard, essentially. Another way to use this expression is when something breaks your heart, when you see something really sad and it's breaking your heart. So that's quite interesting. You can use this expression in two different situations. Now, let's see a few examples to see how to use this Spanish expression. Los trabajadores se parten el alma para terminar el proyecto a tiempo. Los trabajadores se parten el alma para terminar el proyecto a tiempo. This means the workers work hard to finish the project on time. This is a very common situation when you have to work hard to deliver, to finish a project. And you can use partirse el alma for that situation. When you just don't rest and you have to work really hard, I suggest learning the conjugation of the Spanish verb partir, partir, because you have to use the conjugated forms of partir when using this expression. You have to know how to conjugate that verb. In this situation, parten is the conjugated form of partir. That's in present tense because they're working hard right now to finish the project. Para terminar el proyecto a tiempo. Okay, let's see another example. Me parto el alma todos los días trabajando. Me parto el alma todos los días trabajando. This means I work hard every day. I work hard every day. Yeah, everybody has to work hard nowadays to actually have a decent life and pay bills. Me parto el alma todos los días trabajando. Someone has to work hard every day. Okay, next example. Miguel se parte el alma para comprar una casa. Miguel se parte el alma para comprar una casa. Miguel works hard to buy a house. Once again, this is another common example of someone working hard because they want, or Miguel wants to buy a house. And that is a big purchase. People have to work hard, or we have to work hard to even pay rent, right? So Miguel se parte el alma. Miguel is working hard, or Miguel works hard. Okay, Next example. Me parte el alma ver tanta pobreza. Me parte el alma ver tanta pobreza. It breaks my heart to see so much poverty. That's another problem in the world, right? Poverty. In this situation, partirse el alma means to break my heart. We're talking about some sad situation, something that is breaking your heart to see. Me parte el alma can also be used for that specifically. And also, if you're working hard. Okay, let's see one more example, and that will be it. A María se le parte el alma ver a su padre enfermo. A María se le parte el alma ver a su padre enfermo. This means it breaks Maria's heart to see her father sick. Another sad situation. So this expression is mostly about difficult situations. You're talking about difficult situations. You're talking about sad moments. Unfortunately, those things happen. So you can use this expression to express your feelings more sincerely and in a more native way. You know, you're speaking Spanish, you don't want to sound like a robot, and you can use this expression to refer to some situations like sad moments, or when you're working hard, or when you see someone working hard. Okay. So yes, that's it for today. I think we know now how to use this expression. Please leave more examples down below. I always love to read your comments, and it's also good practice for you. If you want to master this expression, you gotta practice. Okay, that's all for today. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel on smlessons.com. You only need to click on donate, or you can find the direct link to that in the video description down below. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!